to us over the last 20 years or so and have told us stories about how our music has impacted your life. And I just want you all to know I'm eternally grateful to you for connecting to songs that I was a part of and wrote, and giving me a career that has spanned a lot longer time than I ever anticipated. If you need help, look around. There's a whole bunch of people to talk to. Everybody's pretty fucking cool here. And if you wouldn't mind singing this song at the top of your lungs for everybody who's not here, and keep this fun going. Know that you're not alone.
Yo, before we start this one, can we try something real quick? Can we get all the lights off on stage? And then if you guys have a phone, can you take
pull
it
the
out?
phones, yeah, let's do that shit.
See if you can light us up with just your phones. Oh, that's amazing. I want to see all of you. Oh, shit.
All right,
Alright, this song's called You're Not Alone.
It's cool as fuck.